Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Ladies and gentlemen,
Here's a sample conversation between a boy and his girlfriend over the phone, covering various topics.
Hey babe, how was your day?
It was good. Just finished work. How about you?
Pretty chill, just hanging out at home. Did anything interesting happen at work?
Not really, just the usual. Hey, did you see that new movie trailer that came out today?
Oh yeah, I saw it. Looks awesome. We should definitely go see it this weekend.
Definitely, it's been a while since we had a movie night. By the way, have you talked to Sarah lately?
Yeah, we caught up yesterday. She's doing well. How's your mum feeling after her doctor's appointment?
She's doing better, thanks for asking. They adjusted her medication. Hey, remember we were talking about that trip to the beach?
Yeah, I was thinking maybe late. July would be a good time. What do you think?
Sounds perfect. We should start planning soon. Oh, and I found this new recipe online. I want to try cooking it together when we meet next.
That sounds like a fun idea. I'm always up for new dishes, especially if you're cooking.
Haha, glad you're enthusiastic about it. Anyway, how's your brother doing with his new job?
He's settling in nicely. Actually, he's coming over this weekend. Maybe we can all hang out together.
That sounds great. We can have a little barbecue or something. Oh, speaking of this weekend, are we still on for our Saturday night video call?
Absolutely. Wouldn't miss it for the world. I can't wait to see your face.
Me too. It's the highlight of my week. Alright, I should probably get going now. Talk soon.
Definitely. Love you.
Love to bye-bye. Haha, have a nice day.